Hi guys, welcome back to Bariatric Beauty and Finishing School. My name's Kelsey and I am a 10-year gastric bypass post-op who has lost 256 pounds. I am also a 17-year professional makeup artist veteran, and today I want to talk to you guys about actual makeup. So I wanted to do the perfect red lip demo. So one of the things after weight loss surgery is we sort of feel like we lose our identity. And one of the first things that I did after being a makeup artist, I had the luxury of realizing that I could change my whole look, and I can change it all the time, and I do. But one staple that I will always go back to is a red lip. A red lip makes you feel beautiful and sexy, makes you feel confident and classy. It can pull together the most drab outfit or the oldest pair of jeans, or it can pull any outfit and take it from okay to incredible. So I wanted to show you guys my favorite red lip. I use Lipsense by Senegence. The reason I love Lipsense is because it lasts all day. If I'm gonna wear a red lip, I don't want it to be on my teeth. I don't want it to be on my coffee cup. I definitely don't want it to be on my boyfriend. Senegence has created Lipsense, which has made it so simple. I put it on in the morning, I apply my gloss maybe 1 or 2 times throughout the day just to keep it really glossy and fresh, and I'm good to go for like 24 hours. Like literally I have to remove the lipstick before it comes off. That's pretty incredible in my opinion. For those of you out there who are getting married, this is the perfect lip for you because you can kiss your beautiful new husband and the lipstick won't come off. Prior to discovering Senegence, the 2 red lips that I absolutely swear by, if you are not a Lipsense lover, are Ruby Woo by MAC. It is a matte, vibrant red, which is incredible, perfect on any skin tone, and the Kat Von D Outlaw Red Liquid Lipstick. Both of these were my go-tos. I have multiple bottles of each, and they were in every purse, they were in the car, they were at home, they were in my drawer at work, they were everywhere. Now that I've switched to Senegence and I don't have to reapply, I only have the 2 bottles. So the colors that I'm gonna be using today are, the first one is Blue Red by Senegence, the Lipsense in Blue Red, and I'm also going to use Fly Girl. The reason I'm going to use the both is that the Blue Red is a very beautiful, bright blue red. The Fly Girl is a little bit deeper, so I'm going to use the Fly Girl on the outside to create a little bit more dimension, and then I'm going to go in with a glossy gloss. So let's get started. So for the first layer, always shake it up. Shake, shake, shake. All right. So as you can see, I do overdraw my lips slightly just because I have somewhat of regular shaped lips and the on-trend look is a very full lip these days. So I do overdraw slightly. I try not to go too far above the actual natural ridge of your lip so it doesn't look too unnatural. Now I'm going in with the Blue Red. Isn't this color lovely? Oh. I love red lipstick. Sorry, it's a little sticky. So 3rd coat, so I did one of Fly Girl and now this is the 2nd one of Blue Red. Right now, just let this dry, just a few seconds. And now I will go in with my very well used glossy gloss. So if you made any mistakes, find that your red lipstick, you maybe made the line a little bit too far down and you want to touch it up. I just take my Morphe M224 brush, which is a concealer brush, a little bit of my Estee Lauder Double Wear Max Cover Concealer, and I'll go anywhere else that I need a little bit of a highlight. So there you have it, the perfect red lip. You want to see the perfect part? No red lipstick, it's all still there. Same when I have a drink of my delicious protein coffee. If you're looking for a red lipstick that looks fantastic, that lasts all day, that feels great, never gets dry and clumpy, and allows you to give a few kisses, this is it. If you love Lipsense, I put a link down below so you can get yours. There are 52 colors, so there's a color for everybody. I hope you enjoyed this. If you don't use Lipsense, don't worry about it. You could do this with any red lipstick. Choose a slightly darker shade or a lip liner to go around. Fill it in with that bright, beautiful bluish red tone, which goes with every skin tone, and feel like the classy, beautiful, fantastic woman that you are. Thank you for joining me today on Bariatric Beauty and Finishing School. We are 172 subscribers strong in our community. I would love to see it grow, so please hit the subscribe button. Click on the little bell so you don't miss a video from me. If you want to follow me on social media, the links are down below, and it was a great day with you guys today. I'll see you in the next video.